Welcome to this amazing 5-bedroom house, and it is in downtown Winter Garden, located in one of the only gated communities. And in downtown Winter Garden, there's lots of shops, there's shopping, there's restaurants. So this house is in the perfect location to enjoy all of that, and you can even have the golf cart. So come on in and check out the rest of the house with me. Check out this completely renovated kitchen. It's got brand new appliances, new countertops, and 2 pantries. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you jump on your golf cart and come check it out in person.